Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 789 Newago Avenue, a spectacular beach getaway with beautiful views of Canandaigua Lake. Hi, I'm Rich Testa, so let's take a tour. This is truly the best kept secret of Canandaigua Lake, featuring this totally updated lake bungalow with a lake view from this entertainment-sized deck. Open to one-floor living with a great room and dining area with lake views. A beautiful white and bright kitchen with a breakfast bar and a full bath and 2 bedrooms too. This is great Canandaigua living at its best. This updated property has excellent craftsmanship and is evident in the details. This property also features a private backyard, a shed to store all your water toys, and a fire pit area great for having s'mores in the evening. This property features a rare location at the end of the road with those breathtaking lake views. This amazing property is part of the Newago Cove Association, featuring this boat launch dock and a separate swim dock with approximately 100 feet of level waterfront. From the waterfront, you have panoramic views from the north, west, and south. This is the ultimate Canandaigua Lake lifestyle with a great waterfront community. You could have it all with this Canandaigua Lake beach getaway. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of 789 Newago Avenue with beautiful views of Canandaigua Lake. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.